Hi, I'm Satvik, and
I'm Arjun. We're the co-founders of Lucent, and we believe that clean water is a human right, not a privilege. Over the next 5 minutes, we'll show you how our cost-effective, sustainable, and user-friendly ion exchange resin water filter has the potential to transform water safety in rural communities.
globally, 2.5 billion people depend on groundwater, and in the US alone, over 13 million households rely on private wells for their drinking water. But unfortunately, these wells are often contaminated by fertilizers, industrial pollutants, and forever chemicals like PFAS. These contaminants can lead to serious health risks, including developmental issues all the way to cancer.
Current solutions either cost too much, like reverse osmosis, or don't effectively remove nitrates and PFAS, like off-the-shelf carbon filters. This gap in the market creates an incredible opportunity for an affordable, easy to maintain, and environmentally friendly filtration system specifically designed for well water.
Our Lucent water filter combines a rechargeable ion exchange resin with 3D printed housing and UV disinfection. The ion exchange resin is excellent for capturing persistent pollutants like PFAS and nitrates. Meanwhile, the UV stage inactivates harmful microorganisms, ensuring that the final output water is safe to drink on both chemical and biological levels.
We chose to 3D print our cartridge because it allows us to iterate prototypes quickly and customize designs for different water conditions. 3D printing offers local manufacturing potential, particularly useful in rural regions where centralized production or long shipping times can be a challenge. In fact, our long-term goal is to license our cartridge designs so that local groups or individual consumers with 3D printers can produce parts on-site if they prefer.
The resin we use is standard for removing nitrates, PFAS, and some heavy metals, but it can be adapted for different contaminants simply by adjusting the resin blend. Users can conduct a local water test through often state or county programs and select the resin type best selected for their own water quality needs.
We're proud to say Lucent has been field tested in both Kenya, Africa, and Haryana, India. Our biology teacher helps us partner with the Asante African organization, where we sent them our product to test with their well. Additionally, the Central University of Haryana's Environmental Science Department helped us validate our product.
Hello, I am Femi, representing the Asante African Organization in Narok, Kenya. Lucent reached out to our organization and let us try their water filter for free. I am proud to say that these 2 weeks, clean water has never been more accessible. Their filters are cheap and easy to use, making it the perfect fit for our village.
We've built and tested multiple prototype models, iterating to optimize for both efficiency and user friendliness. In preliminary lab trials, we've seen over 85% reduction in nitrates, and early data has also shown us a strong PFAS removal rate. We've also added a UV component to address the microbial load, and we plan to use third-party testing to confirm virus inactivation rates.
Our total addressable market in the US is roughly 13 million households relying on private wells, which translates to a potential $1.95 billion if we price each unit at $150. Within that, our serviceable available market includes 2 million households at high risk of contamination, valued at $300 million. For an initial serviceable attainable market of 100,000 adopters, we're looking at approximately $15 million in revenue.
Each Lucent filter costs us around $40 to manufacture, which includes resin plus housing materials, and this allows us to retail at around $150. We plan to reach rural communities through direct-to-consumer online sales aided by education-focused marketing, such as how-to videos, brochures, and local workshops. We also will partner with local farm bureaus, nonprofits, and rural cooperatives to subsidize and distribute our product to remote areas.
Our business model rests on 3 main pillars. Product sales, which includes a Lucent filter kit with housing, resin, UV stage, and instructions, the monthly or quarterly subscription with regeneration supplies, and replacement parts with resin blends customized for local water conditions and optional cartridge upgrades.
Because the filter is regenerable, the ongoing revenue stream from replacement and regeneration kits extends customer lifetime value. Coupled with an affordable initial price point, we aim to make a compelling return on investment case for both ourselves and our end users.
Part of our fundraising covers NSF and ANSI certifications and related testing to ensure we meet or exceed industry standards. Moving forward, we'll continue R&D on resin blends, refine the UV microbial and activation performance, and gather more data through expanding our pilot programs.
In summary, Lucent tackles both chemical and microbial threats to well water through a multi-phase filtration system that's customizable, cost-effective, and environmentally conscious.
Thank you for listening to our pitch. We're Lucent, and we're here to provide sustainable, affordable, and comprehensive water filtration for rural communities worldwide.